Feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime.
Hey, what's up, Savage Grom 717. So we just got the first oil change done, so we're gonna go for a little rip. Just make sure everything is running well and everything. Now that we got the breakout oil in, we can give it a little lead. Oil change took about maybe 10 minutes. Super easy, super easy. The only thing I'm big on torque spec, so I didn't torque spec it, so just gonna go back after I'm done here and just make sure everything's good and everything, but so far it's running pretty good. Wanted to get the oil change done though, because I want to ride this weekend. It's Memorial Weekend this weekend, so traffic's going to be nuts everywhere. I got a 4-day weekend, so I'm hype about that, but yeah, I don't know what I'm getting into this weekend. Maybe have a fire at the house. I know I want to go out riding tomorrow with the guys, if I can get any guys to ride out with me. But we'll see. We'll see what this weekend. There's so much traffic around. Hopefully there's a better view. I want to see the bike and a view behind, so we'll see. I'm going to give it the little beam. I'm going to redline it here. Sun's bright tonight. Loving the warmer weather. Like 2 weeks ago, it was like freezing out. Pennsylvania didn't know what it wanted to do. But now that it's like Memorial Weekend, end of May, it's gorgeous out. It's like 90 today. Alright, I'm back, guys. Stopped at the Sheets here in Pennsylvania. It's like our popular gas station we got here. Wanted to get some drinks. Not trying to go to sleep early tonight. She's running good though. She's running real good. Now I don't gotta worry about changing the oil and stuff. Shifting sucks at this thing sometimes. Can't find neutral, second gear sometimes. I can't get into second gear. It's just crazy. But we'll go back, check everything, make sure everything's tight and everything, and then we'll be good to go. And then next Saturday I go in for a first service checkup at Lancaster Honda. They're going to check my throttle, my spark plug. I don't think they're going to do the oil change now, of course, because I just did it, but yeah, they're going to just check everything, first break-in or whatever. My vlog for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.